In this video, we are going to look at the vocabulary for the IELTS listening. As you may have understood and see, the vocabulary is very important in the IELTS listening section. In fact, you will not want to find yourself in a situation where you hear the word but you don't know it, and so you don't know how to write it or how to pronounce it. And as you know, each section it's a bit more difficult compared to the previous one. The same will be also for the vocabulary. The first section and the second one are more basic vocabulary, and then they will be more and more difficult. A good news is that you can prepare yourself for each of the section. In fact, we are going to share with you a glossary and vocabulary section with all the words that you may find in various sections. You know that, for example, in the academic sections, you will find words related to university or to lectures, seminars, workshop, professor. Whereas if we talk about the travel agency, you may find words like boarding pass, check-in, gate, hotel, bookings, etc. It is important to remember that in some exercises you may be asked to paraphrase the information. And also, it's very important not to know only the general vocabulary of many words, so have a wide variety of words that you know, but also to know the synonym and the contrary. That's very important because sometimes in the recording you will hear a synonym and you will need to link it to the actual answer. For example, in the answer sheet they may talk about the word contemporary, but then in the recording you may hear the word modern. So you need to know that these words are synonym and that they are referring to the answer that you need to give. As you know from the previous videos, the spelling is also very important. If you write the word but you make a spelling mistake, the answer will count as 0. It will be a wrong answer, so your mark will be lower. Therefore, when you learn new words and when you widen your vocabulary, it's important that you know also how to write these words. Repeat them out loud, but also write them down. Expanding your vocabulary will be very useful also for your speaking section. We will look into that in the next videos.